what I was just trying to show there is obviously this has got the secondary fuel tank at the back, and I thought they would both feed into the fuel system, but actually it turns out that when the main fuel tank gets low, you can go into the settings and you can transfer the fuel from the rear to the front. So I was doing it for, I don't know, a couple of minutes, and I went from 25 miles and I'm now at 80 miles. I didn't let it do all of it, I did stop it, so I just wanted to see what would happen. So when it drops to a certain point, I'm not quite sure what that point is, that's how you can then bring it forward. Pretty cool. Anyway, rider's there, I'll hand this back in, see you on the next one.